Hello and welcome to Management Balance Due Invoicing Report. In this section we'll explain how to send a batch invoice to all your clients to print them out. To begin with, I'm going into a client file, Tommy Sager here, just to show that they have a balance due. You see here we have 3 line transactions, a fee of $125, a payment of $125, and then another fee of $65 with an outstanding balance of $65. As you notice here, the done box, these 2 transactions are checked done, meaning that this transaction has been paid. The outstanding balance of $65 is an amendment. It's not checked done. So when we do invoicing, we're strictly focusing on the transaction that is not done. So if you run this report and nothing displays, that means your transactions are all selected as done. So let's go into, also you want to focus in on the transaction date. In this example, it's 7/22/2014. So now we'll go to our reports. Scroll down here to Management, Balance Due Invoice. And if you look up here, filtered by transaction date and existing client balance. So if you recall, the transaction date was 7/22/2014. To be safe, I'm just going to go ahead and select 7/1/2014. To the current date, I select the business type, tax preparation, and I hit go. Here we have Tommy Sager. I'm only showing one transaction, fee for the amendment of $65. This is an aging invoice. See, it's over 120 days, $65. Now, if I have several clients, I can print this off as a batch and mail them out. And as you see, we have it set up for the Windows 9 envelopes, so you can just stuff it in an envelope, and your company return address would display here, and the company or the client's name would display right here with the mailing address. Now, when the client does pay, so they don't display on this report anymore, what you want to do is obviously log the payment in. So I'm going to go ahead and Tommy's file here. And it's actually a return year 2012 is where he has the balance. I'm going to go in his 2012 file. And what you're going to want to do here is check the box. A quick way is check the box, hit the Done button over here. It's automatically going to include a checkbox. You don't have to hit Edit. You could hit the Edit pencil, but this is a quicker way of doing it. And then, of course, then you're going to select the method of payment. Say if they're paying by credit card. And then you save it, and now the balance due is 0, and they'll no longer show up on that invoice anymore. So this is a way of sending a batch invoice to all your clients without having to do them one at a time, and also it's just going to focus in on the outstanding transaction. That's all I have. Thank you.